UDHR is a document that acts like a global roadmap for freedom and equality, protecting the rights of every individual everywhere. It was the first time countries agreed on the freedoms and rights that deserve universal protection in order for every individual to live their lives freely, equally, and in dignity. UDHR was adopted by UN on 10th December 1948 in response to the barbarous acts which outraged the conscience of mankind during the Second World War. Its adoption recognized human rights to be the foundation for freedom, justice, and peace. Work on UDHR began in 1946 with a drafting committee composed of the representatives of wide variety of countries including USA, Lebanon and China. The drafting committee was later enlarged to include representatives of Australia, Chile, France, Soviet Union and UK, allowing the document to benefit from contributions of the states from all regions and their diverse religious, political and cultural contexts. The UDHR was then discussed by all the members of the UN Commission on Human Rights and finally adopted by General Assembly in 1948. The declaration outlines 30 rights and freedoms that belong to all of us and that nobody can take away from us. The rights that were included continue to form the basis for international human rights law. Today, the declaration remains a living document. It is the most translated document in the world. Article 1 and 2 talks about liberty and equality. Article 3 to 5 talks about right to life and abolition of the slavery. Article 6 to 11 talks about the fundamental rights and remedies for their violation. Article 12 to 17 talks about right to movement, right to property, right to nationality. Article 18 to 21 talks about freedom of thought, expression and opinion through any media. Article 22 to 27 talks about social, cultural and economic rights and Article 28 to 30 talks about means of exercising these rights. Structure of UDHR. The structure of UDHR was influenced by the set of laws formulated by Napoleon Bonaparte centuries before, collectively known as the Code Napoleon. Significance of UDHR. The UDHR is widely regarded as a groundbreaking document that provides a comprehensive and a universal set of principles in a secular political document that is beyond cultural, religious, and political ideologies. The declaration was the first instrument of international law to use the phrase rule of law, thereby establishing the principle that all the members of all societies are equally bound by law regardless of the jurisdiction or the political system.